Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to schedule and send a sticker on Telegram using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to send a sticker at the perfect moment without being online, this is a really handy feature to know. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, go into the chat where you want to send the scheduled sticker. This can be a private conversation or a group chat, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside the chat, look at the message input area at the bottom of the screen and tap on the emoji icon. This will open up your emoji and sticker panel. Now comes the important part. Browse through your stickers and find the one you want to send. Instead of tapping it normally, tap and hold on the sticker. Holding it down will bring up additional options. After holding the sticker, you'll see a small menu appear. From this menu, tap on the option that says Schedule. This is what allows you to send the sticker later instead of instantly. Once you tap on Schedule, Telegram will prompt you to choose a date and time. Pick the exact time you want the sticker to be delivered. This is perfect for birthdays, reminders, or just sending something funny at the right moment. After selecting your preferred time, simply confirm by tapping the Send button. And that's it. Your sticker is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you chose. It's a simple feature, but it can be surprisingly useful once you start using it. Try it out and see how it fits into your daily chats.